Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're talking about something made just for gamers. A tablet that doesn't hold back. It's built for serious gaming, smooth performance, and big screen fun. This is the Red Magic Gaming Astra tablet. Red Magic launched this tablet with one clear goal: dominant mobile gaming. And they did it with smart choices, powerful specs, and features focused on speed. The Astra tablet was officially released in July 2025. And since then, it's become one of the most talked about tablets in the mobile gaming world. Right out of the box, it feels different. It looks bold. The back has a matte finish with angular lines. You get that signature Red Magic look. It's futuristic but clean. It also feels strong and solid. There's no flex or weak points. The aluminum chassis keeps it durable and cool. During long sessions, there are heat vents along the top and back edges. And yes, there's an RGB light strip that adds to the whole gaming vibe. It's slightly heavier than a regular tablet, but that's because it's packed with high internals. You can still carry it around easily or set it on a stand. There's also a built-in kickstand, which is really useful when playing games or watching content. The bezels are slim, but wide enough so your fingers don't block anything while holding the device. The display is a key part of the gaming experience. Red Magic gave it a 12-point NHL AMOLED panel. It's bright, colorful, and sharp. You get a resolution of 2560 by 1600, which looks great for games like Genshin Impact, Fortnite, and COD Mobile. But what makes this screen special is the 144Hz refresh rate. This screen is fast. Every swipe, tap, or drag feels smooth. Scrolling through menus or switching apps is snappy. In games, animations are fluid, aiming feels more accurate, and overall control is just better. It supports 100% DCI-P3 color, so colors are rich and vivid. Whether you're playing action games or watching anime, the visuals pop. Touch response is also excellent. The tablet has a 960 Hz touch sampling rate. That means it responds super quickly to every input. In games like PUBG Mobile or Asphalt 9, every tap and swipe registers instantly. Inside, the Red Magic Astra tablet runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is the same processor found in flagship gaming phones. But here, because of better cooling and more space, it performs even better. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It handles everything with ease. Apps open fast, multitasking is smooth. And when it comes to gaming, this tablet is a beast. There's no lag, no frame drops. You can max out graphics settings in almost every game. Genshin Impact on the highest settings. No problem. Fortnite at max settings. Smooth Honkai Star Rail, beautiful and fast. It also uses Red Magic's ICE 3.0 cooling system. That's the same tech found in their gaming phones. But here, it's bigger and better. It includes a large vapor chamber and advanced thermal materials. The tablet stays cool, even after playing demanding games for over an hour. The software experience is clean and built for performance. It runs on Red Magic OS 9.0, based on Android 14. You don't get heavy bloatware, just a few essential Red Magic apps and features. There's a dedicated GameSpace app. That's where you manage all your games, monitor stats like temperature and FPS, and control performance modes. The GameSpace lets you switch to Pro mode for higher performance or Stealth mode for battery saving. You can also block calls, disable notifications, and adjust refresh rate per game. Everything is easy to control, and it works well. You also get floating window support. That means you can reply to messages while gaming, or keep YouTube running while browsing. The tablet is great for entertainment too. Watching movies or shows is a great experience thanks to the big screen and fast performance. Battery life is strong. It packs a 10,000 mAh battery. That's enough to game for hours. In daily use, it easily lasts more than a day. Even with heavy use, including games and media, it gives solid endurance. You also get 80W fast charging. That means a full charge takes around 45 minutes. The tablet doesn't heat up while charging either. Red Magic added smart thermal controls during charging to keep the device cool. You can even charge it while gaming, and it won't throttle or lag. In real gaming sessions, this tablet shines. Let's talk about the experience in actual games. In Genshin Impact, graphics were maxed out. Frame rates stayed stable around 60 FPS the entire time. No stutters, no overheating. The tablet felt smooth. and visuals looked incredible. You could see every detail, every texture. Call of Duty Mobile was also impressive. Ultra graphics, 120 FPS setting, and smooth multiplayer matches. Touch controls were accurate. No frame drops, even during intense moments. The speakers gave loud, directional sound. In Fortnite, the tablet handled high settings like a champ. Gameplay was fluid. Building and aiming felt responsive. The large screen gave a console-like feeling. Playing with a controller via Bluetooth made it feel like a portable console. Honkai Star Rail ran beautifully. The colors, effects, and animations looked sharp. The cooling system did its job. Even after long sessions, the back was only slightly warm. The speakers on the Astra tablet are top. You get a quad speaker setup with DTS X Ultra. Sound is clear, detailed, and loud. In games, you can hear direction clearly. Explosions feel immersive. Background music and effects come to life. Watching videos or movies is also enjoyable without needing headphones. You also get a headphone jack. That's rare these days, and it's great for those who prefer wired audio. Bluetooth 5.3 is supported as well, with low-latency gaming mode for wireless earbuds. Connectivity is strong. You get Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G support. Internet speeds are fast. Online gaming is smooth and stable. There's also a USB-C port with display output, so you can connect it to a monitor for a bigger experience. You also get a pogo pin connector for accessories like a keyboard. The price of the Red Magic Gaming Astra tablet is aggressive. Starting at around $599, it offers a lot for the money. Considering the high refresh rate display, flagship chip, large battery, and full gaming features, it's one of the best values in the gaming tablet market. You also get long software support and accessories like keyboard covers, stylus, and even gaming controllers. It's designed to be part of a full gaming ecosystem. Let's talk about what's good and what's not. On the plus side, the design is bold and built for gamers. The screen is stunning, smooth, and immersive. Performance is top-notch, whether you're playing games or multitasking. Battery life is excellent, and fast charging is a big bonus. The speakers are loud and detailed. Software is clean and focused. And the price is reasonable. On the downside, it's a bit heavy for casual users. Red Magic OS is good, but not as polished as Samsung or Apple. And while the camera is okay for video calls, it's not meant for photography. But that's expected in a gaming tablet. Now let's wrap it up. The Red Magic Gaming Astra tablet is made for one-purpose gaming, and it delivers. If you want a powerful, large-screen Android tablet that can handle high-end games without breaking a sweat, this is one of the best choices in 2025. It looks cool. It runs smooth. It stays cool. And it gives a full console-level experience in a portable form. Red Magic focused on the right features and skipped the fluff. Whether you play shooters, RPGs, racing, or strategy games, this tablet will keep up. If you're a gamer who wants a serious Android tablet, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech reviews. We'll see you in the next one.